हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ ताहिरा और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल ताहिरा आर्ट गैलरी। आज की वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे रेनेसा, जो कि हमारा इंग्लिश लिटरेचर का बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। रेनेसा रेनेसा इज अ फ्रेंच वर्ड ड्राइव फ्रॉम लैटिन वर्ड रेनेस्कैटिना विच मीन्स रीबर्थ और रीअवेकिंग. It was revival of art and literature in Europe during the 14th, 15th and 16th centuries. It was based on ancient Greek learning. First time the word Renaissance was used by French historian Jules Michelet in his book Historia de France, 1855. Renaissance started from 1453 with the capture of Constantinople by the Turks. It began from Italy because scholars began from Constantinople, fled to Italy along with Greek and Latin manuscripts. Then it reached to France and then England in 1485. Renaissance was open European movement. Renaissance was an open European movement of freedom and liberty in every sphere of life. It brought individualism, which means every man was free to do or to speak anything in Renaissance. It was a rebirth of human soul, which was dead during the Middle Ages. There was a revival of Greek and Roman culture and literature. Renaissance brought humanism also, which means study of. The Renaissance was a cultural, intellectual and artistic movement that started in Italy and spread across Europe. It emphasized the revival of classical learning, humanism and individualism. In England, the Renaissance flourished during the reign of Queen Elizabeth. Conclusion, मतलब in short, these two moments gave a new direction of English culture and played a major role in shaping the modern world of literature and thought. Renaissance and Reformation. The Reformation was a religious movement that began in the 16th century. It led to the creation of the Protestant churches and challenged the authority of the Roman Catholic Church. It had a strong influence on English thought and literature. Renaissance means rebirth. Renaissance means rebirth. It was a time of revival in art, literature and learning. In England, the Renaissance started late compared to Italy. It began around the 16th century and was influenced by the Italian Renaissance. It brought new ideas in art, literature, science and education. Early sign of the Renaissance in England, Thomas More, 1516, wrote Utopia, a famous book in Latin, not English. William Tyndale, 1522, translated the Bible into English, beginning the Reformation. Thomas Wyatt, 1527. Thomas Wyatt, 1527, visited France and returned to England with new poetry style like sonnets inspired by Petrarch. जो सोनेट है ये किसने लिखा था? तो ये इसकी जो राइटर है वो पेट्रार्च है. पेट्रार्च जो है एक राइटर का नाम है. ओके. थॉमस सैकविल, 1563, wrote the Induction, a classical poem. George Gascoigne, 1573, wrote a series called Hundred Sundry Flowers. In English literature, the term Renaissance refers to the great period of the revival of learning and literature. The flowering of Renaissance in England began in 1578 and continued up to 1625. During this period, English literature was enriched with a lot of drama, poetry and fiction. The Reformation was a great European religion movement of the 16th century. It started in 1570. The Reformation helped spread Renaissance ideas in England. The Bible was translated into English, boosting interest in prose and literature. People started questioning the authority of the Pope. Writers focused on biblical stories, nature, human beauty and emotion, drama, poetry and fiction. The Reformation also increased patriotism an interest in English culture. England started translating foreign work to enrich its own literature. The Reformation supported this change by making a Bible available in English, which gave pupils new ideas about religion, life, and morality. It weakened the control of the church and allowed people to think independently. Together, the Renaissance and Reformation helped develop modern English literature, gave rise to poetry, prose, drama, and new forms of writing, inspired people to value knowledge, creativity, and truth. कंक्लूजन में देखेंगे द रेनेसा brought a new life to English literature, art, and thinking. It was a time when a pupil started to learn, imagine, and express more freely. Writers began using English language instead of Latin, making literature easier for common people to understand. In short, these two moments gave a new direction to English culture and played a major role in shaping the modern world of literature and thought.